Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are doing absolutely amazing. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fashion Style. First of all, I want to say a very big and heartfelt thank you to each and every one of you for giving me so much love, support, and appreciation. Today's video is really special because this is one of the most requested tutorials from all of you. You know, this design went quite viral on TikTok, and after seeing the response, I received so many comments asking me again and again, please make a step-by-step tutorial. Please show us how to make this design. Please explain every step clearly. And honestly, when I read all those comments, I felt so happy. Your comments and your requests are actually the biggest motivation for me to create new tutorials. So whenever you ask me for a particular design, I always try my best to bring that tutorial for you. And today, this special tutorial is especially for all of you. Before we start, I just want to explain one important thing about this design. The original design that inspired this tutorial is an AI-generated design. Because it is an AI design, some of its details may look perfect or possible in the picture. But when we actually try to create them with real crochet work, every single detail may not be possible to make exactly the same way. So please keep this little difference in mind. I have tried my absolute best to recreate this design as closely as possible in real crochet. I spent a lot of time working on the pattern because I really wanted the result to look as close as possible to the original design. The flowers are made very close to the original design, and most of the overall pattern is also recreated in the same style. However, there are a couple of very small differences, especially in the leaves. The two leaves in the center of the original AI design have a particular shape that is difficult to reproduce exactly with real crochet techniques. So instead of trying to create something that doesn't work properly in real crochet, I used a leaf pattern that I know how to make, and that gives a beautiful and practical result. I hope you will understand this small difference. And honestly, I think the final result is still really beautiful. You can use this pattern in so many different ways. You can make it on a dupatta border, a table cover, a shawl border, a scarf, a decorative crochet piece, or even use the flower and leaf motifs separately for other crochet projects. Actually, one of the comments that really caught my attention was from someone who specifically asked me to explain how to make this design step by step. And that is exactly why I decided to make this detailed tutorial. For this particular tutorial, I have used the design on the border of my table cover. I really liked how it looked, and I thought it would be a beautiful and useful way to demonstrate the complete pattern to you. So if you are planning to make this design for a dupatta, don't worry at all. You can simply follow the same basic pattern and adjust the length according to your dupatta. Now, one more thing I want to say is that you don't need to be an expert in crochet to make this design. If you are a beginner, don't be scared. I have tried to explain every step in the easiest possible way. You just need to watch the tutorial carefully and follow each step one by one. Please don't try to rush through the video. Take your time, pause the video whenever you need to, and repeat a step if necessary. I have intentionally made this tutorial very clear because I know many of you are learning crochet from my videos, and I want you to feel confident while making the pattern. This tutorial is a little time-consuming, and yes, it took me quite a lot of time and effort to prepare everything properly. But I wanted to make sure that when you watch this video, you don't feel confused. I wanted to show you the details as clearly as possible so that you can actually sit with your crochet hook and yarn and make the design along with me. So please watch the video until the very end. Don't skip any important step, especially if you are a beginner, because sometimes even a small skipped step can make the next part of the pattern confusing. And if you are watching this video while making the design yourself, you can pause the video after every step and complete that section before moving forward. That will make the whole process much easier. Now, I also want to take a moment to appreciate all of you. Over the last few days, I have received so much love and support from you. In just 3 to 4 days, I have seen such a beautiful response in terms of views, followers, comments, and engagement. Of course, I put my effort into creating the videos, but honestly, your support is a huge part of that journey. Without your love, your comments, your likes, your shares, and your encouragement, it would be very difficult for me to keep creating with the same motivation. Every time I open my comments and see your sweet messages, it genuinely makes me happy. Sometimes I read your comments more than once because they give me so much encouragement. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you for sharing my designs with your friends and family. Thank you for leaving beautiful comments. And most importantly, thank you for trusting me with your crochet learning journey. Your requests matter to me. Whenever you tell me that you want a tutorial for a particular design, I try my best to work on it. I may not always be able to recreate an AI-generated design 100% exactly, because some AI details are not technically possible in real crochet. But I will always try my best to give you the closest practical version that you can actually make yourself. And that is what I have tried to do in today's tutorial as well. So please keep supporting me and keep sharing your ideas with me in the comments. If there is another crochet design that you want me to explain step by step, you can write it in the comment section. I always read your comments, and I take your requests seriously. Maybe your requested design could be the next tutorial on fashion style, so make sure you leave your suggestion below. And if you are new to my channel, welcome to Fashion Style. Here you will find crochet designs, beautiful patterns, step-by-step tutorials, creative ideas, and many more useful and interesting videos. If you enjoy learning crochet with me, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my upcoming tutorials. And if you are already a subscriber, once again, thank you so much for being part of this beautiful community. Now, before we move into the actual tutorial, I want you to remember one simple thing. Don't worry about making it perfect on your first try. Crochet is a skill. The more you practice, the better your hands become at controlling the yarn, the hook, the tension, and the stitches. So if your first flower doesn't look exactly like mine, don't give up. Try it again. If your leaf looks slightly different, that's okay. If your stitches are a little loose or tight, you can improve them with practice. The most important thing is to enjoy the process. And remember, every beautiful crochet piece starts with a simple stitch. So be patient with yourself. Now, let's finally start our tutorial. Keep your crochet hook, yarn, scissors, and all the required materials ready. I will show you each part slowly and clearly. First, we will work on the basic section. Then we will create the beautiful flowers. After that, we will work on the leaves and connect the different elements together. Finally, we will complete the border and see how beautiful the finished design looks. So stay with me until the end because I really don't want you to miss even one step. Once again, thank you so much for watching, supporting, commenting, and encouraging me. This tutorial is made with lots of love and lots of effort especially for you. I hope you enjoy making this beautiful crochet pattern as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. So grab your crochet hook, get your yarn ready, and let's start making this beautiful design step by step together.